I'm surprised you aren't watching the scary movie with Laura and Gigi. I thought you loved scary movies.
Oh, I do. But, I just have to tell you something.
Yeah?
Hey
guys!
What the? Gigi, seriously?
You know I hate when you spook up on me like that.
Sorry, but I came by to say the pizza is here. And remember, Lola, you can't have any because of your dare. And Minnie, you're missing out on a good movie. Are you sure you don't want to come down and watch with me and Laura?
Minnie, I don't know if you want to stay with me. Especially since my stomach will soon be talkative soon. And plus, I'm into girly things.
Oh, I don't mind at all. And plus, I am half fairy type, so doing girly things won't bug me at all. I hope.
What? Seriously? But you... Ooh, I think I know where this is going. Yeah.
Gigi!
Okay, I'll leave you be.
Minnie still up there with Lola?
Yep.
That's odd.
Oh yeah? Is it because she's your girlfriend?
For crying out loud, Gigi, she's my best friend. And no, it's because Minnie never hangs out with her, and now all of the sudden she is. But for what reason?
Girl, you okay? You sound depressed, even for a ghost type.
Yeah, I'm okay.
There has to be food around here somewhere.
Lola, what are you doing up so late?
Well,